Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Did you know that 1 in 4 people worldwide has fatty liver disease, yet most don't even know it? Your liver is a silent workhorse handling over 500 vital tasks every day. But what happens when fate starts to weigh it down? Fatty liver disease is becoming a global health concern, affecting people of all ages, not just those who drink alcohol. It's time to shed light on this silent epidemic. I am Professor Dr. Javed Iqbal FAROOQI, a doctor passionate about helping people understand and prevent common but often overlooked health conditions. In this vlog, we shall explore what fatty liver disease is, why it's on the rise, and how you can protect your liver for a healthier future. In this episode, we shall uncover the signs and causes of fatty liver disease. By the end, you will know what steps you can take to prevent or manage this condition effectively. Your liver does not complain until it's too late. But the good news, you can act now to protect it and reclaim your health. I would like to share with you a case history. Shahab's story, a wake-up call for fatty liver disease. Meet Shahab, a 42-year-old software engineer and father of two. Like many of us, Shahab juggled long work hours, family responsibilities, and a love for comfort food. But his seemingly normal lifestyle had a growing health problem. Shahab often felt tired and sluggish, blaming it on stress and late night deadlines. During a routine health checkup, his doctor noticed mildly elevated liver enzymes. A follow-up ultrasound revealed something unexpected. Shahab had fatty liver disease. Shahab was neither an alcoholic nor obese. However, his sedentary lifestyle, occasional fast food binges, and borderline high cholesterol and triglycerides were enough to tip the scales. Like many others, Shahab did not realize that fatty liver disease is linked to diet, exercise, and metabolic health. The diagnosis came as a shock. Shahab's doctor explained that while fatty liver disease is often silent, if left untreated, it can progress to liver inflammation, scarring, or even cirrhosis and liver cancer. This was a wake up call he could not ignore. With his doctor's guidance, Shahab adopted small but significant lifestyle changes. He swapped sugary drinks for water, started a 30-minute daily walking routine, and added more vegetables to his plate. Over time, his liver enzyme levels normalized and his energy improved. Today, Shahab is healthier and more active, but his story serves as a reminder. Fatty liver disease does not always come with warning signs. Prevention is key, and early detection can save lives. Shahab's story is not unique. Millions of people are living with fatty liver disease without realizing it. The good news: simple lifestyle changes can reverse the condition and protect your liver. Don't wait for symptoms. Take charge of your health today. If Shahab's story resonated with you, schedule your next health checkup or make one small change for your liver today. Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body, and it deserves your care. Fatty liver disease may be silent, but the steps to prevent or reverse it are loud and clear. Make healthy lifestyle choices today. The good news is that fatty liver disease is manageable and in many cases reversible. Small changes like eating healthier, moving more, and cutting back on sugary drinks can have a big impact on your liver health. Take the first step, talk to your doctor, get a routine checkup, or start with a 30-minute walk every day. Your liver will thank you. If you have questions or tips for a healthy lifestyle, share them in the comments below. Together, we can create a community that supports better liver health for everyone. Your liver silently works for you every day. Now it's time to return the favor. Let's protect it one choice at a time. See you in the next episode. Goodbye and take care.